Hello everyone, welcome to Here to Learn, and today we will discuss on the topic Data Science Bubble Burst. COVID-19 has led to shifting priorities and companies are reassessing strategies across their business as resources are constrained. This has led to companies coming to terms with the reality of business values with data science. First, we should know what is data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific method, progress, algorithm, and system to extract knowledge and insight from many structural and unstructured data. Data science is related to data mining, deep learning, and big data. The mass layoff in the technology industry, including many data scientists, have many saying the talent bubble is finally popped. The pandemic gave a good reason for organizations to decrease the compensation for data scientists, which was earlier soaring high due to the rising demand. It is true that the number of candidates has been increasing exponentially in data science over the past 5 years. It is expected that companies will now run for cost cutting, business process optimization, and automation due to the pandemic, and this will ultimately decrease demand for data scientists in the coming future. The last couple of years, the economy had been doing quite well, and since every company wanted to join the AI race, they started pulling up this data science team. But they didn't do the due diligence in hiring. They didn't have a clear vision in mind as in how their AI strategy is actually going to help. So, what to do about this situation? Many says that data scientists as a standalone skill set might struggle from here without having engineering skills, especially when most of the companies are moving towards the cloud, where data science model could be automated. With this, I end the video and thank you for listening.